My video tutorial will help you to remove the ransomware called KUZA, K-U-Z-A. My video is only for the educational purposes, though. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover the data. Well, before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular KUZA ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. So as you see, almost immediately after the injection, it basically changes the desktop background, and it also reveals the ransom note, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. It is called KUZA because it is titled, the ransom note is titled as KUZA. You should not pay the ransom. Don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money in favor of these criminals who stand behind this ransom. By the way, this ransomware appends a different extension, which is Ripa. So we can also specify it is some sort of Ripa file virus. Once again, do not pay the ransom and do not waste your money. I recommend you to remove the ransom with Combo Cleaner by going to the website combocleaner.com, use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software and start carefully researching the system. The software is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of infections. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scan, you will see the full summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on your computer. So of course, some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license, and this way your data will always be under the protection against ransomware or any other types of infections. So wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.